Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Monday the 15th, and over the weekend hubby surprised me and got me a new handbag. I'm super excited to share this with you. It's going to be my first unboxing of a handbag on my channel. I've never done one of these before. So anyway, the current purse that I'm using or have been using is the Louis Vuitton Speedy 40. It just looks like this. You guys have seen it. Back in the day, these did not come with the attachments to where you can add a strap to it. And so I'm going to be changing out this purse for the new purse that I got. I do have to order a what do you call this, a organizer for the new purse, because this one I don't think will fit in the one that I got. And this just helps you stay organized, and it's just not like a black hole that everything just falls into. So this is what I just have all my stuff in this. And even this sometimes gets overwhelming because there's so many pockets, and then you end up losing stuff in one of the pockets and then you just can't find it. So anyway, this one's kind of looking rough. So I'm gonna have to order a new one for the new handbag. So first of all, it comes in a bag like this. And they also give you your receipt in an envelope. And it's just the receipts in here. The box is really nice as well. It's like a cardboard box, and it just has a blue and white bow on it. I'm just going to slide the bow off. I did open it to show my mother-in-law, and my sister-in-law wanted to see which one he picked out for me. So anyway, it comes with this huge dust bag as well to Neiman Marcus to see which one I had been wanting, and turns out they only had the MM in the Neverfull, and they only had I think that was it, and then they had the Damier, or I don't even know how to say, I think that's how you say it, print. But I love the classic monogram. And so anyway, he ended up going to Saks, and he found me this purse, which is the Neverfull GM bag. And he got the one that is just the nude inside, because he said he didn't really like the way the pink looked, or the other colors, which is fine because I love this one. And then it also comes with this wristlet. It's just got the same print on the inside, and it's got a pocket here, and then in the inside it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. And I believe you can detach this. Yes, you can. It comes with like this little clip where you can, if you wanted to, I guess you could like just use it as a wristlet and just take this out whenever you want to go to like the grocery store or whatever, and you don't want to carry your big purse. So I did try, when we had gone to Neiman Marcus, I had tried the smaller one because I was like, oh my god, the GM is really big. But for a few bucks more, you can get the big one. And then when the lady actually showed me the purse closed, it was perfect size. And I'm 5'7", so I think it looks good on my shoulder because of how tall I am. I'm not like super tall, but 5'7" is tall. So anyway, it's like the thin straps. Hopefully I don't overstuff this purse to where it's gonna be too heavy for my shoulder. I'm actually happy that I'm gonna put my Speedy to rest for a little bit, because that sucker would get heavy on my arm. So yeah, it's gonna be nice to have something that will just catch everything. So this is how big it looks. And then the straps on the side are just like this. But when you close the purse, or close the sides, and you tie the straps, it's not gonna look that big. This is the bag fully closed. So it's really not that large of a bag once you close up the sides. And then it also has this little clip right here where you can keep your purse nice and secure. So I'm gonna see if my little organizer thing will fit in here, because I remember when I had first bought that organizer on Amazon, it was, I think it was the large or the jumbo. So it does fit, but it's not that cute. I need to get a new one because you can see how it's like gotten all like, you know, like all the little balls of like the felt. So yeah, we're gonna just keep that one for the speedy. Another thing that this purse has is it's got this huge pouch on the inside, and it's got a zipper, so you can actually put even more stuff in there so that your stuff does not get lost in this bag. So it's pretty deep, which I love. And then again, this is just the basic coloring nude stripes or tan. I am so in love with this purse. Oh my God, I have been wanting this one for a while. Anyway, this is my bag. I'm not a professional at doing unboxings. I hope that this was informative to you. I will link the purse down in the description box along with the actual price of it. But everything is just beautiful. I love it so much, and I can't wait to start using it today. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.